Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will ensure safety during the process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage any clips. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components. Locate the CPU and GPU, which are typically covered by a heatsink. Before proceeding, it's wise to clean the area around these components. Dampen a cloth with isopropyl alcohol and wipe down the surfaces to remove any dust or debris. Now carefully unscrew the heatsink from the CPU and GPU. Keep track of the screws, as they can be easily lost. Once the heatsink is removed, you will see the old thermal paste. Using a lint-free cloth or a coffee filter, apply a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to clean off the old paste from both the CPU and the heatsink. Ensure that both surfaces are completely clean and free of residue. Once cleaned, it's time to apply the new thermal paste. Squeeze a small amount of thermal paste onto the center of the CPU. A pea-sized amount is usually sufficient. When you reattach the heatsink, it will spread the paste evenly across the surface. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. After applying the thermal paste, carefully reattach the heatsink, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it is firmly in place, but do not over-tighten, as this can damage the components. Now it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws. Ensure that all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling or loose parts. Before powering on your laptop, it's a good idea to double-check that everything is in place. If you're unsure or feel uncomfortable with any part of this process, remember that we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without the hassle of travel. Once you're ready, reconnect the battery and power on your laptop. Monitor the temperatures to ensure that the new thermal paste is working effectively. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In conclusion, replacing the thermal paste on your HP Pavilion 5-BC450NS is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your laptop's performance. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can ensure your device runs smoothly for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.